Alright, so here's how to add team members in ClickUp. First of all, just open your ClickUp app or software. And after that, just go to your profile icon on top left corner. Here, click on settings. Now go to people. Now here, type email. For example, I want to invite someone to my project or to my channel. I'll just type their email over here. And after that, just click on invite people. One more thing. Now, if you want specifically someone on your list or channel, just click on these three dots, click on sharing and permissions, and just type the email over here. For example, I'm going to type this email. Now you can change the permissions to edit, comment, view only. You can also make them limited member, guest, or admin, whatever you want. So that's just it for the video. Thanks for watching.